Welcome back to Britton Farms Homestead. Today we are making a video on dehydrating some apples. We went to an orchard in Michigan, picked some apples. Now we're preserving them so we can either shelf stable or in the freezer. And we're going to go ahead and dehydrate some apples that can be used later to make fried pies with. And the first step is we're going to go ahead and spray some cooking spray on the dehydrator sheet so the apples don't stick to it.
Go ahead and check out the collaboration playlist, #togetherwepreserve, to see tips, tricks, and information from other channels, including us preserving all types of food. Feel free to join in on this collaboration. You'll just need to make a video and then put the #togetherwepreserve. You can choose to preserve anything that you would like for these videos. The next step is to peel, decore, and slice the apples. We are using a decore. It peels, slices, and decores the apples all at one time. It comes in pretty handy. You can pick these up on Amazon. I personally got mine at a thrift store. It was super cheap on sale, but it did come in handy. Another advantage to using the apple decor is it slices the apples all at the same thickness, and that helps the apples all dry out at the same time in the dehydrator, so you don't have some being done and ready to pull out at different times. The batch will be all done at the same time. Don't forget to save the apple peels. There's many things you can make out of the waste from the apples. We personally use the apple peels for jelly. You can cook them down, take the juice out, use the juice to make jelly, or you can make apple cider vinegar from the peels and the cores. Waste not, want not.
Once your apples are peeled and decored, you can try to cut them all about the same size so they will dry out around the same time. They need the same drying time. We have these handy dandy peelers and decors here that we use, and it seems to do a pretty good job. But once you get that, you can just take them and lay them on your sheets and just fill up your sheets, and then you'll put them in the dehydrator.
When putting the apples on the dehydrating sheet, make sure they are not touching each other, so the air can circulate around all sides of the apples and they will dehydrate and dry out all at the same time. Once your dehydrating racks are full, place the filled sheets in the dehydrator. Now that your trays are in, place the door on the dehydrator or put the lid on. We have an Excalibur dehydrator. Closing your dehydrator may vary on the type that you have. Your dehydrator should come with a book and tell you times and temperatures to preserve things. In this dehydrator, we're going to set it on 135 degrees Fahrenheit and 7 to 15 hours until the apples are dry. Once the apples are done, they should look something like this. They should be rubbery but not crisp. That's going to let you be able to put them in Ziploc bags, freeze them, or store them on the shelf.